Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change keyboard language in Windows 11. First of all, go to the Start menu. Search for Settings. Here select Time and Language. After this, tap to open Language and Region. There you can see Preferred Languages. All you need to do is tap on the Add a Language button. Then select the language to install. Once you are done with this, you can select some more options like text-to-speech from the bottom. Select Next. Then tap on Install. Here you see handwriting and basic typing features are downloading. Also, from the top of the page, you can see the display language is set to English. Till then, tap on the three dots that you see here. From there, go to Options. Under the section Keyboard, select Add a Keyboard. Now, go back to the Download section. From here, you can go to Language Options as well. Once these language features gets downloaded, your keyboard language will get changed. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.